So during this cruise, I have had Wi-Fi to be able to text. So I've been texting like Anna, CJ, Abby, and I'm just so excited to show these vlogs to them and be like, hey, this is what I did. But life update, we got room service. Okay, because I was like, if we're getting ready, like, I don't want to have to worry about going in a breakfast, but I kind of want a little something. So I got croissants, bagels, fruit, coffee, jelly, and then they got there's some like juice on here and milk, which I didn't get. And then I ordered some cream cheese, but I didn't see that, but oh well, it's fine. We can see land. We're in Mexico now. So we're about to port and be ready to dip on to Cozumel in Mexico. So I'm so excited. Are currently at this place. I got some tacos, did some shopping. Started raining, so now we're walking through the rain. My Birkenstocks are wet now, and I packed a rain jacket for this very reason. And do I have it? Nope, I do not. So I'm gonna do a haul of all the stuff that we got. We're currently back in the boat. It's like 2 something right now. So I got 2 drug rug blankets. I got a purple one and a pink magenta one. Both of these was $8. It was like period. Jewelry wise, we got these turquoise little things. The earrings, and then we got these turquoise earrings, and then this guy at this one shop gave us these for free, and he gave us this little eagle thing for free. Those are so pretty. Then this other guy gave us these charms. So my mom got a heart. This was my little charm that I got for free. And then we went into this other store. It was part of a restaurant, and it had, most of the stores that we went into were kind of like what you go into like when you go to like Panama City or something. Like they had lots of like t-shirts, hats, like souvenir stuff. Well, this store that we went into was more like artisan stuff. Like they had like dishes and like different stuff like that. So I got this little Frida naked lady thing for my new room whenever I get it. I got Abby and CJ presents, but I'm not showing them because I'm not sure when I'm posting this. I'm not sure when I'm giving them their gifts. So anytime me and mom go anywhere, we always get an ornament. So they had some cute little ornaments that like were like little people that said like Mexico on them, and it's really like a keychain, but It's so cute. So we got that for a Christmas ornament. They're so cute. They're Frida. Shut up. So cute. Hashtag lunch with a view.